All right. Welcome to Frank's Crypto Corner, where we talk about all kinds of cryptocurrency news, mining, Ethereum, Dogecoin, GPU mining, Bitcoin mining, all kinds of things. Today, we're going to be talking about TikTok, how TikTok has partnered up with a company that has cryptocurrency. Yeah, that's right. TikTok is an absolutely an app that's just going crazy. It's growing. Everybody's downloading it, and now it's partnered up with a company that has a little cryptocurrency tied into it. So it's going to be very, very exciting. I'm definitely going to want to not miss anything and stay to the end of this video. If you can do me a favor and go ahead and like the video, don't forget to hit the subscribe to our videos. And then when you do subscribe, don't forget to hit the bell icon to be notified when we do have up and coming videos every single day to keep you updated on what's going on in cryptocurrency. There's been so much going on with Dogecoin in the news, Ethereum in the news, different prices going up. I mean, we've been doing the top 10 for the last few weeks here, and there's 30% gains in a week. There's 40% gains in a week. It's just going nuts. So with that, let's go ahead and check out TikTok. All right, right here. We're over here at TikTok's partners with crypto-powered music streaming platform Audius. And it says, according to Audius co-founder and chief product officer Forrest Browning, roughly 95% of the users have no idea that the blockchain is even involved. The blockchain, again, cryptocurrency. So it says, music sharers protocol Audius became one of the first streaming platforms to partner with TikTok, allowing users to directly share the tracks to the popular app. In Monday's announcement, Audius said it had partnered with TikTok in the creations of a new feature called TikTok Sounds. According to the Rolling Stones interview with Audius co-founder, the chief product officer Forrest Browning, the integration will allow users to export songs created with protocols to TikTok with one click in an effort to streamline the process. Wow, I mean, everything is getting better here, and cryptocurrency, just like everything else, is getting put into that. So your app on your phone, TikTok, it says again at the top here, 95% of the users have no idea that the blockchain is even involved, which is not a bad thing. It's just cryptocurrency is everywhere now. Also, through the Audius claims it seeks to leverage the blockchain technology to reward content creators as well as increased transparency on payouts to artists. The integration with TikTok seems to be more about music than rather pushing messages about cryptocurrency and decentralized finance, which is good because, again, artists that are getting known and people are watching them, but behind the scenes, there's blockchain technology. Cryptocurrency everywhere. So it says roughly 95% of the users have no idea that the blockchain is even involved. Approaching 1 billion with a B of monthly active users, TikTok reported in July that 75% of its user base is in the United States. Discover new artists through the app. Audius now has roughly 5 million monthly active users after the October launch. With many of its governance token allowance to create, the creators are based on the numbers of streams they generate. TikTok does not currently allow users to receive performance royalties from streaming music, but instead it offers an opportunity for exposure, engagement with the fans. So again, what a great platform that you can be on there. If you're an artist, if you're a singer, if you're doing this, you can actually get yourself known out there. But behind the scenes, the blockchain technology is going on. So yeah, everybody, today's news, we're talking about TikTok partnering with crypto power music streaming platform. With that, let's head over to the top 10. All right, here at the top 10 today, we got Bitcoin is at number one at $44,800. It is down slightly, 2.59% in the last week, but it's way at 44,000. Again, remember when we were just super crazy happy that it crossed 40,000? So it's doing very well at 44. Ethereum is at number two at over 3,015. In the last week, it's down about 6.5%, but that's just because, again, it's up so much. Remember we were showing yesterday on Robinhood that a month ago, Ethereum was 2,100. So again, when it goes up, when it finally settles, but it's settling at 3,018, solid Ethereum. Cardano moves to number 3. It's up 16% in the last 7 days. It's got a price of $2.14 a coin. It's actually up over 8% in the last 24 hours. So Cardano, over the last few weeks, it was like number 7. It was like number 6. It moved to number 5. Cardano is number 3 now. Binance Coin is at number 4. It's down slightly, 0.35%, not even 1% in a week. XRP is up 10% at number 6 here at $1.14. The Dogecoin is at 30 cents, 30.5 cents. It's up 4.6% in the last week. US coin is pretty much even. Polkadot is at number 9 and at a solid 9% increase in the last 7 days. And SOL is absolutely, take a look at this. It's up 66% in the last 7 days. Uniswap did drop to number 11 there. So with that, up here at the top, the market, it says the market is at $1.94 trillion. That's an increase of a little over 2% in the last 24 hours. So cryptocurrency is going up. There's your top 10. If you're an investor here and you're looking at different information, remember my information is educational purposes only. But you do want to pay attention to the top 10 because there's a lot of names that will enter the top 10, and then you'll just see amazing growth with that. With that, we're going to talk about some mining. Over here, the China Bitcoin mining crackdown is a boom for miners elsewhere. Miners outside of China are getting financial boosts from their competitors' forced exile. Will the trend continue? It says just weeks have stunningly affected the purge of large Bitcoin miners from China. Reducing competition for Bitcoin blocks rewards had dramatically improved the profitability outlook on mining operations elsewhere. As the miners' hash rates fell down, the difficulties of mining, explains by Kevin Zhang, the VP of Business Development of mining firm, says the hash rate is a measure of how much computing power is secured in the network. And completing for a Bitcoin reward, the hash rate has fallen so much that it's actually kept on par with Bitcoin prices, Zhang says. A miner that plunged in now has basically the same economics as the Bitcoin was at 50,000. We are now mining more Bitcoin on a daily basis than we ever did before without doing anything else, without adding any machines, confirmed Morphy, president of Bitfarms, which mines primarily in Quebec, but has plans to expand in the stock. So again, all the miners in China, in this article, 90% of them had a move. Going down here, it says the decline in the Bitcoin hash rate benefits current miners because unlike real mining, Bitcoin mining essentially a zero-sum game. The same amount of Bitcoin rewards are issued every 10 minutes, regardless of how many miners are contributing in the hash power to the network. Since mid-April, Bitcoin's hash power has plummeted by nearly half, meaning the competition for the rewards is also about half of what it used to be. Also down here, it says a lot of the decline is thanks to the dropping price of Bitcoin, which makes mining less appealing for operations with high power costs or less effective machinery. But it's clear that miners are leaving China in droves and leaving magical internet money on the table. Where do they go? So again, with Bitcoin miners in China having to move, China's Bitcoin mining crackdown is a boom for miners elsewhere. So in this channel, buying Bitcoin, buying Ethereum, buying Dogecoin, those are great opportunities. But don't forget, you can also mine. You can mine the Bitcoin, you can mine the Dogecoin, you can mine the Ethereum. All right, so the last thing we're going to talk about today is when you retire, a lot of times people are doing 401ks and they're doing all kinds of investments and stuff. I want to point out here the #1 crypto IRA 401k platform in America, I Trust Capital. Self-trade cryptocurrency and physical gold in your retirement account. That's right, guys. Everything is got cryptocurrency in it now, even your retirement account. Let's scroll down here and take a look at this. Tax advantages. Trades are tax-free in your IRA. Low-cost crypto, 1% trade fee. Gold is a $50 over the spot of the ounce. IRS compliance. Avoid illegal complexity. Let's scroll down here. Look at the... Okay, so again, if you're paying attention to the channel, and we talk about the top 10, and you hear names over and over again, okay, those are names that, again, you want to pay attention to. But what about when a company that you can do your IRA talks about, look at these coins, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Polkadot, Chainlink, Cardano, physical gold. So again, these are the different cryptocurrencies that you can put in your IRA. Bitcoin, Ethereum, Polkadot, Chainlink, Cardano, and physical gold. So digital asset wallet provides, it talks about Coinbase, and it says right here, there's another thing. The insider report, Bitcoin IRA, crypto IRA. Never pay 10 to 15% to put Bitcoin and / crypto in your IRA. Everything you need to know about fees, securities, 24/7 access, and much, much more. The insider report, Bitcoin / crypto IRAs. So yeah, so people are using IRA money now to have cryptocurrency in there. Okay, everybody. So with that, again, in your IRA, you can basically do cryptocurrency. Dallas Mavericks owner Mark Cuban accepts the Dogecoin. Tik Tok is partnered up with a company that has blockchain technology for cryptocurrency, and 95% of the people don't even know about the blockchain technology. I mean, cryptocurrency is here to stay. The other day we were talking about how the government will tip off on the people that do tip offs and stuff. One of the options for them to get paid is in cryptocurrency. So with that, this channel is very educational on what's going on in the market. If you can go ahead and like our video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and also hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up and coming videos. Right here, you can click right here to see our most recent video. There's all kinds of information on cryptocurrency here at Frank's Crypto Corner, and you have a great day today.